Hey guys, happy Monday to you. This is Nathan with nsoliday.com, and we're almost to the first of the month again. Which, what that usually means is that means possibly that your mortgage payment is due. You got your credit card payments are due again. Different car payments and things like that. Student loan payments are starting to come up again, and if you're like the rest of us, it probably feels like you just got those paid for this month. So the reason I bring that up is we've had the opportunity to be able to refinance some mortgage loans over the past few weeks, to where the borrowers who own their home were able to actually lower their house payment some, and it made it a little easier for them from a cash flow standpoint going forward to be able to pay some of their other bills. So for example, we had a client that was able to use some of the equity that he had in his home to pay off enough credit cards and store cards and things like that to actually lower his monthly output on bills by almost $1,200 a month. And you think about that, $1,200 a month in his pocket is something that definitely was going to make his life a lot easier. He basically was able to roll his debts into the equity that he had in the house, and lower his payments by that much. Now you may be thinking, why would you want to roll that into your equity, and do that? Basically he actually stretched his those debts into a 15-year loan. So yeah, he's going to pay on those for 15 years, but his interest rate was very good. It was I was trying to remember if it was in the high threes or what it was, but his interest rate was very good. So he had that going for him, instead of paying the 23% that the store cards were charging him in the mattress company that he financed. So he saved a lot of money in interest there. That interest is deductible on his taxes right now, depending on as long as the tax rules stay the same. So mortgage interest is deductible at the time of this video. So he was able to save that way, and but just overall, having an extra $1,200 a month was a game changer for him and his family. So I'm not sure if you have any debts like that, or if you have some equity that you might be able to utilize and pay off, but we would love to give you a free quote to let you know how that would look. In another video, I mentioned we had helped almost 10 borrowers last week just refinance their loan without paying off any debts, and they were able to save on average of $191 a month on each of their mortgages. So you may not be able to save $1,200 or $600, but hey, if you could save $175 a month and skip a mortgage payment, it may be worth looking into. So anyway, if it's something you're thinking about, feel free to send me a text. You can text me at 812-620-0046. Or you can actually text our office too, which is 812-650-0708. We're licensed in Indiana and Kentucky, so we do both sides of the river, and we'll be happy to work up a free estimate on what a refinance could do for you. And hey, if it doesn't make sense for you, then at least you know kind of where you stand from that standpoint. So have a great day. Good luck with everything, and if you have any questions, just reach out to me, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.